Hello, hi, welcome back to the channel. Alright y'all, so I still have more videos flowing with regards to my trip to Accra, and in today's video I will be sharing with you somehow semi nightlife in Accra on the streets of Osu, Accra. So stay tuned. If you haven't watched the other videos, check out the playlist on the channel. If you haven't subscribed, tap on that subscribe button real quickly and enjoy the video. We started off the journey right after leaving the Makala market, going through where the Independence Square was, and on our way we actually had to pass by my friend Wendy's office. But before that, we actually stopped by to get some coconut, fresh coconut, guys. Like it's a treat. So apparently at the Independence Square, what's it? Oh, hey, streets of Accra. Like if you ever go to Accra, buy some coconut off the street, y'all. It's really good. It is fresh. It is organic, if you want to put it that way. But it was really good, and it's refreshing as well, especially during a very hot day. And it was really hot that day, okay? And I had been around, so I needed a quick refreshment, and this did the job.
I'll be, Ghanaian hustling life. And no, you need your trivia. Kebab is not much.
So while I was enjoying my coconut, I met this gentleman who actually provides horse riding services. This is very normal in Ghana. When you go to the beach or whatever, we have people who have horses that they allow you to ride them for a fee. I've never done it. I do plan on doing it, but he decided to share his details in case you ever found yourself in Accra and you wanted that experience as well.
Yeah, I'm doing a video. Are you usually at where do people go to ride it?
You can ride it inside
the Independent, the beach. You do that too. Okay, what's your phone number?
The number is 055 7 28 71.
Perfect. Is it 30 Ghana? 30. Hey, Daddy Jaisa. Oh. 30 dear. Maybe one more. Hey, you're not sure penny. Yeah, I don't know, man.
So once we were done grabbing that quick refreshment, which was the coconut drink near the Independence Square, the Independence Square area is a landmark. So if you ever go to Accra, definitely check it out, get some quick photos. So quick story time, y'all. Remember in the previous clip where we negotiated with the taxi driver for this ride? Yeah, we got in the vehicle and I don't know what happened, whether it was the camera, whether it was what we were talking about, I don't know what happened. But he switched up on us. He was like, well, I'm not gonna take the amount we negotiated. And we're like, no, my friend Wendy, she was like, no, if you agree on an amount, that's what you're taking. Why would you want to change the price now that we're in the vehicle? So guess what, y'all? He literally brought us back to where he picked us up so we can pick another taxi. But this happens a lot, and they tend to do this a lot But no problem at all. We kept going. So we passed by my friend's Wendy's office, like I mentioned earlier, so she can do a few things here and there. And then we headed towards Osu to Pork Belly to have dinner. However, on our way there, it became apparent that apparently the location there is closed. So we decided to go to Dansoman to pick up that meal. But before we left the Oxford Street Osu, I decided to do a few shopping and then also try some street foods whilst I was there as well. If you ever go to Accra to visit, definitely try the street food. I know for some time street foods have had like bad reps and all that in terms of how they're made, among other things or whatever, but definitely try a few things. You should definitely try a few things. Don't be shy, don't be scared. I love my meat, so I did try kebab, I tried shawarma, which is similar to like a burrito, and then also I got some suya meat as well. And then we headed towards Dansoman for the fried pork with yam chips. So it was definitely an experience, and I always enjoy our meals whenever I go home. I love it, love it, love it. I would travel back to Accra every single month if I could, just to have a good meal, okay?
It is Duncan's. Duncan's a true. It's a photo kebab, but not fair. I didn't view. Yeah, put on some photo. Hey, we don't want to fall.
Just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. I can't be the only one.
But there's something here if I'm not mistaken. Unusual feeling is just unimpressed, but I'm scared just to ask you if you're not taking. I need everything in front of me. I breathe to give you what you want from me. A little bit of time now we get so true. That little bit of time I wanna spend with you. I know you're right for me. I know, don't hide from me. You got good and nice, so don't waste it away now, mama. Never really spun like this, creeping through my mind all night. Watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you right away. Never really spun like this, creeping through my mind all night. Watch you like you're on my wrist.
Once again, taking advantage of the mobile money services in the country, so we went to this place to get the shawarma, and once you place the order, you have to go inside the restaurant to make the payment for it, and they accepted mobile money, so I used the service to pay. Like I said in my previous video, it's very easy to set up. You do have to have a Ghana card to register your phone number, but I believe if you're a foreigner or you're traveling into the country, you can actually go to Vodafone and use your passport to register a phone number or a SIM card as well. So definitely check that out if you're ever in Ghana and you're staying longer than a day or two or whatever. It would definitely be beneficial.
No fight. Madi we ji ene niam ma wi pre. Oh, na nkofo jina ho asembe na Ghana mu. Ade esere. Em to ntu ya to se dey. Oh yes, we do. Oh, CCB. Oh, who camera? They have them back around.
Abuchi is being stingy here. Oh my god. Thank you. Where do we order? Home now. I am back home. I am exhausted. Today I went through Osu, so I am exhausted. Like, I am so tired, guys. I left around 10 and 11 a.m. I returned at about 9 p.m. So it's been a long day of reporting content, but stay tuned and keep watching the content, okay? When the video drops, watch it, all right?